Hey everyone, and welcome to another Rosebud Live. I'm here with Jason, and today we have something really exciting to show you. We just had an update to Rosie, and we are able to just test it live and preview how you know much faster and easier you can make games, basically instantly with like no. Uh, no, extra work from your side. And Jason, I guess you can probably start sharing your screen and just jump into it. The update is pretty exciting for us, and we're also going to be switching to uh, Discord a little bit later. So if you want to join us live, please join in about 15 minutes, and you're going to be able to hang out with us and that's that feature will ask any questions and we can talk about your projects or gaming in general. We host these live streams every Monday and Thursday, and we start with some sort of demo or tutorial, and then we jump into Discord, where you can find us in Rosebud Lounge channel, and we can just all hang out together. Okay, so Jason, what should we start with? I kind of teased it in the thumbnail of this video, but we probably should start that.
Okay, so we are starting, as Kirill said, with GTA 5. See how quickly we can make that on Rosebud with our new update. So we just say, I hit let's create. Now I have this input here, and I'm going to type in, let's make GTA 5 3D. Let's make it crystal clear I want a 3D game. Okay, so let's
Yep.
see what Rosie does to start us off.
Hmm.
Okay, she says she's starting with the basic 3D city environment with a simple controllable character cube. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what she got. And then whatever she gives us to start with, we'll go from there and start adding the extra stuff that we want. There you go. Okay, so we have first to start off we have our gray city with our very
Wow,
nondescript
this is
buildings.
very, yeah. But that's something. I think we should use the cheat code that's called make it prettier prompt,
Yes,
and then
exactly.
say make it prettier and add some trees, because I think that also makes it more fun.
Yep, good
Um,
idea. Okay.
okay, second prompt.
Yep. Let's see how far we can get in our second prompt. She says she wants to add lighting, better materials, trees using cones and cylinders, better ground texture, and fog.
Nice. Yeah, you never know what happens, and I guess that's one of the fun parts of it. It's uh, always a little bit different. It's never the same, but let's see. We tried this one a couple of times before. Whoa, okay,
Nice.
this is actually
Already
way
looking
more
good.
beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this is more beautiful than I had. Um, okay, well, I think we should also point out that we don't want to be just a cube. Let's say
Yeah,
I should be a car, that the character should be a car, and then buildings should have windows on all sides.
that sounds good. Let's make the
Okay.
character into a car. Yep. I'll try and be ambitious and combine them and make the buildings have windows on all sides.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah, that cube is funny.
Yeah,
It's a good color though.
aligning. Mm-hmm. When we're a car, we can just stay red. So right now I'm super fast. I guess it makes more sense if I'm a car.
Well, I also think what we will have to fix next is just to make it not possible going through the buildings and
Yep.
trees.
Right now we can phase through
So,
everything. So
yep,
gotta fix that.
not exactly. Hey, I think it's almost done. Let's see. Whoa,
There you
that's
go.
okay.
Got a
Well,
car. The buildings need to
car.
improve some of those windows, but the car's
Okay.
looking decent.
Well, you know what? What if we say make it look more like a city?
Sure.
'Cause I think like these, yeah, the buildings look not what I expected them to look.
gonna tell Rosie to improve the buildings in general.
Yeah, it's time to build better buildings.
Yeah. Okay. Also says you should make the map bigger since we can travel so quickly.
Nice. Yes, I agree. I did that for my own project too.
Nice.
The lighting looks so good, like this fade.
Ah, I can.
Nice. Right, so now we can go through trees, but not through buildings. Is it the case?
Right
Hmm.
now we can go through everything. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Well, hold
we
on. We
can.
got.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We had Rosie wasn't able to apply that one. So what we can do is I can simplify the prompt a bit after hitting the reprompt button.
Maybe make this bigger doesn't make sense because this what this, right? Make the map bigger, maybe land
Sure.
bigger. Yeah. Okay, cool.
There
Yeah,
we go.
this should suffice. I would also be confused. Yeah, I think in my experience I say make the land bigger
Hmm.
because otherwise, yeah, it can be anything. Yeah,
Yeah.
what happened to the windows? That's funny.
Yeah. I wonder.
They don't really match the size of the buildings.
Okay. There we go. Okay.
Whoa,
Okay.
okay.
We're bigger now. That's better. Yeah. We need to
Okay,
still
so
fix these buildings though.
yeah, but you know, let's say this, add roads and fix the building, like windows in the buildings. 'Cause yeah, I think they can look way better.
The windows on the buildings. And it also helps a lot to describe what's going on whenever things don't look right. So we want to say that right now they are floating above.
That's true.
Yeah. Or should I say partially?
Hmm.
Okay. So hopefully we get our roads and we can fix these windows. What did she say? Right. Proper roads and fix windows and improve ground. Okay,
Damn,
so
okay. It's more
about yeah,
complicated.
it's a pretty big change. That's I guess we'll do our window fix first.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's pretty important. It's just the y coordinates might be wrong with the windows. Yeah, I think it looks like that, right? If you just move them down,
Hmm.
they're still too high. Are the buildings like in the ground? Maybe I don't know. How about this? Let's just say use a different approach to the buildings so that they look way better. Yeah, maybe this just a general approach for the buildings isn't working.
Yeah, let's see. Or maybe in the meantime, throw the one I created. Mhm.
Yeah, sure.
You don't need to stop sharing, but let's see. Um, right, here's the one that I managed to create. And this took me roughly 6, 7 prompts. So these trees, these buildings look way more real. I feel like
Mm-hmm.
cars so slow. Um, okay, so what's happening with yours?
Almost there. Okay, we
Okay,
have
some
an error
fixes.
from Rosie. When we have
That
an
happened to
error,
me too.
Rosie. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, she gives us a fix it button that we can easily just click. That tells her all about the error, so she can fix it on her own.
See?
There you go, and hopefully
In
that'll
the
be enough for us
meantime,
to get this working.
we can explore the world in the meantime. So what's
Whoa.
the funny thing that happened to my GTA? When I created when I asked to add windows, it added only on one side.
Mm-hmm.
Then there was no entrances, and they just kind of looked funny.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
hey,
All Kirill had to do was just ask Rosie to add windows all around the buildings,
yep,
not just one side, and then she did it in one prompt.
yep. All right, let's go back to Jason. All right. Whoa, whoa. Okay,
Those
this
are
is
pretty good
way
ones, yeah.
better than what I had. What? This looks way more modern. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Well,
we
let's
told
do.
her to. Oh, go on, sorry.
No, no, sorry. What'd you say?
No, I was just saying that we told her to just use a different approach. You could tell that
Yeah.
even the general approach she was using was very simple, yeah, and error prone it seemed. So sometimes you could just tell her to just throw out what she had and do a new
Yep.
approach, and that could sometimes be what she needs to fix things.
Let's definitely make the map larger and then
Yeah,
add the roads.
way larger, so I can drive for a while and add roads.
Yep, let's see.
Okay.
Roads are important because these buildings cannot be on some meadows.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be nice. Now let's see. Okay, we so far only under 10 minutes and a few prompts.
Yeah.
Hey, I like the shadows. Look,
Yeah, I
so
know the
real.
shadows. I was about to say with the
Mhm.
fog, it looks good. Let's see if you got a city road. Okay,
Oh wow. Okay, this
you got
is
some roads.
this is a big change. Okay, now it's a huge map. And the roads are not connected to each other. The car is way faster now. That's
Yeah,
funny.
because the map's so big. Yeah, it's still too fast. Yeah, 'cause the buildings are a bit kind of in the ground a bit.
Interesting. Yeah, I wonder if a lot depends on the first prompt and how the project starts.
Actually, I'll let's try it again. Honestly,
Yeah. Okay, so for that, what'd you do? So you just said reprompt.
yeah, I hit reprompt again. Reprompt to go back to the previous version of your project and then show you the prompt you used last, so you don't have to
You know,
memorize it.
let's say not make the map, but let's say make the land lot bigger, or like because map. I don't know if map is. I don't know. Let's see, because land worked really well for me.
Okay, so
And
make
then remove the I can drive for a while because that also is kind of vague, right?
yeah. Usually Rosie can interpret things you write, but of course sometimes you want to be very explicit, especially if there's some errors with your response.
Yep.
You can go back to previous, just be very explicit, like Kirill was saying, and say connected roads.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this might be a little bit simpler.
Yeah.
It's always better to, have smaller prompts and smaller requests. Yeah, it's
Yes.
interesting
For
that
for more complex changes, yes, I would say. For medium complexity stuff or simple stuff, you can actually chain together a few things. But when you know something's complex, especially when you got an error or it didn't work, then yeah, I'd definitely say make things very simple. Oh,
okay, see, maybe even this should be split into a couple of prompts.
okay. Let's do only make land bigger.
Yeah, let's just start with that. Hmm.
Yeah, I think Rosie's interpreting making land bigger to mean lots of things. So okay, there we go. So we are
Well, this is way better.
yes.
And now,
Okay, now connected roads.
let's see. In my case, it just said like add roads, and that worked well enough. Um, but let's see. Maybe this is gonna work better.
Yeah, we'll definitely try that if it doesn't work.
Hmm.
Yeah, she's trying to add like a road network. Maybe that's the problem. Let's
Okay. So
click
in the
there.
meantime, Jason, what if we gonna start making another project in parallel so we can actually just make a few ones. So oh wow, okay, the
Okay,
roads. The roads are here. It's
nice.
nice.
Yeah.
We're
Okay. So we
definitely pushing through the buildings.
yeah. So that'll be the next step. We're gonna probably move on to something else right now. But you then make it ask Rosie to okay, make sure trees and railings aren't on the roads. Probably fix the road markings so they don't look like this, and then you could go from there. Head towards a full GTA game.
Nice.
GTA work in progress.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Yep.
now let's head back. Work on our next idea. What do you
Yeah,
think, Crow?
so well, we not only we can create games, we can also create web apps. And
Mm-hmm.
web apps do you have anything that you wanted to make?
Sure, yeah. I mean, earlier today I was trying out like a piano app that worked pretty cool in a cool way.
Okay,
So
let's do.
let's try it. Make a cool piano app.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna in parallel try something else as well.
Sure.
And for example, I'm going to I'm going to try um I'm going to say just make something amazing because we tried that before and it was actually pretty fun. So let's see what can happen here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Leave it entirely to Rosie to see if it can surprise you.
Yep.
Okay.
Because you never know what
Yeah.
Rosie. Okay, I'm gonna bring you back. Whoa. Okay, so this is actually a tiny piano.
Yeah.
Does it have sound? Because we can hear it. I can hear it, but
You cannot hear?
I cannot. Yeah, but
Yeah.
could
Actually,
be
we do
fun.
have sound, so maybe I'll reshare.
Okay, and I can go back to. Oh wow. Okay, so my
Got
Rosie
something?
created cosmic dance. Move your mouse to interact. Whoa. Okay. Well, what if we may say again the favorite prompt? Make it right here. My gosh. And make it prettier and more exciting. Because I don't know what this is supposed to do, but this is definitely some cosmic action here. Okay, Jason, have you reshared your oh, you already shared yours. Okay.
Yeah, I just reshared. Let me know if you can hear. I'll place on in a second.
Hmm.
No, sorry, I didn't play yet, so yeah, I'll just switch back to one
Okay.
tab.
All right. In the meantime, I'm fixing my cosmic dance, trying to make it more fun. Let's see.
Sure.
Hey, whoa, this is very cosmic. All right, what if we make make it look more like stars and constellations? Hmm. Okay. Jason, do you want to try?
Yeah, I played just now. I don't know if you heard.
Yes, we can hear it now.
Yeah.
Wow,
Cool.
that works. That was only one prompt. You didn't do much
Yeah.
else, though.
There
Wow.
was error at the beginning. I hit fix it, and then we had this. So two prompts, I guess, for one fixing.
Okay. What if we expand it and actually make it a full 88 keys?
88. Okay, let's just do it.
I think it is at 88, right? Hey, someone correct me if I'm wrong. I played piano for 5 years, but it was a long time ago.
No, no, I was even just saying to fit them all here. We have to make the keyboards fit. Make
Yep.
this a full 88 key piano. Let's just keep it simple. All right. Update the layout to display all 88s.
Mhm. Okay.
Let's see
So
what we get.
my cosmic dance is almost done. Okay, let's see. Whoa, okay.
Let me
This
see.
became less exciting than before. Move your
Oh,
mouse. Hmm.
not working right now.
Let me,
Let's see.
yeah, make sure we prompt. Make it look like make maybe let's say cubes look more like stars. See if that helps. But hey, whoa, that's a big piano. Okay, can you try playing?
This,
This is definitely not a piano sound.
this is not weird. It's like a song. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
have to make
Well,
it be. Maybe you can label the stuff. So, I don't know.
can we add like a setting to switch between different sounds? What do you think?
Um, let's try that.
Okay, my cosmic dance is now a little bit different. It's very interesting. Oh, there's some issues with it though. See if we can fix it. I'm going to, in the meantime, actually try to create another amazing project. Let's see what is going to be created now.
You did another prompt for to let Rosie decide.
Yep.
Cool.
And then we can go back to Jason. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. That's impressive.
Okay.
And it
Cool.
labeled the keys.
Yeah.
For some reason, some keys are like smaller, like way more
Yeah.
narrow
I see.
than the others,
Yeah.
which is
Don't
interesting.
know.
Can you play him?
Hold on.
Okay, he doesn't
I
play
cannot play.
anymore.
Yeah, I cannot
Yep.
play. Let
Well, we
me.
gotta ask Rosie to fix that.
Oh, there's an error. Okay, let me use the fix
I
it
see.
button again. Make Rosie fix that. Which is adding sine wave, square wave, sawtooth, and triangle. That's cool. Okay, we got it back.
Whoa.
I don't know if it's too loud, but oh, yep, we have our sounds like you asked for, Kirill.
Mm-hmm. Nice. That's pretty
Okay,
fun.
cool. Hold on. The one thing I'll say, I want to see if we can. I'll get Rosie to make it be able to play a song. I'll probably add a volume slider first. Okay, volume slider. What do you go on your end? You know, did
Okay,
Rosie respond on your end,
uh,
Kirill?
yes. Okay. Oh wow, now you can change the volume. That's awesome.
Yeah, I wanted to change the volume.
That's
'Cause I wanted to ask her to play a full song in a second, so I want to make sure I can do the volume first.
mm.
Okay, make there be an option to make it auto play a song.
All right, my cosmic dance now feels the mouse. So if I move the mouse around, things are
Interesting.
happening. It's like a little bit more explosive. I mean, it's cool. It's fun. Like you can add this to your project, to like your website, and it's something.
You should ask Rosie to make the effect when you use your mouse way more noticeable.
Make the effect more noticeable.
Yeah.
Gosh. All right. How's
Okay.
your keyboard?
Okay. Switch back.
Hey,
Twinkle
hey,
twinkle little
Boots.
star.
Mhm.
Oh,
Boots is
Boots in here.
here. Okay.
Nice.
Boots, join us on Discord. We're moving there right now, maybe like in a second. We actually have Coco waiting for us, so that's exciting too.
Hmm.
Yeah, honestly, Jason, shall we just quickly move to Discord and continue on there so we can chat with everyone else? Yeah, and Cody's here. Hey,
Nice
Cody.
game. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
All right. I'm going to restream. All right, quickly moving to Discord.
Hmm.
Everyone, please join us on there. Yes, Boots, definitely. And I am. Hey, hi Coco. Thank you for joining.
Hey,
Hi Coco. You probably can hear us twice now if you're still on YouTube.
yeah, I'm getting that all situated.
Nice. Okay, so we've been doing the whole craziness with the new one-shot generations. So basically, if you go on Rosebud and click create, now you can expect way more being made right away instantly. So it's gonna be fun.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. You can try it yourself too. So yeah, we made GTA so far. We made this piano app, and it's also fun sometimes to ask just like make something amazing, see what Rosie can make. Also. Boots, hello.
This is from a single prompt?
Well, almost single prompt. Jason, can you show history maybe? If you can like show the first version. Also, Jason, we cannot hear you if you're saying anything because you're muted.
My bad. How you guys doing? Anyway, what I was saying over here, go back to the first version, like Girl said.
Mhm.
We had this as the first result. Then this one, two, three, four, five, six, roughly like seven or eight
Yep.
prompts. Then we were able to get to this here. We have some trees on the road and buildings on the road, and the road markings aren't right, but we're already well on our way to top-down GTA.
Oh, cool.
That's really cool. Actually,
Yep. And then the
it's
piano
working
app.
really well.
The piano app even took like pretty much one prompt.
Yeah, it was pretty much. Right now, I think we're at three because of just some bug stuff. 3 or 4. Yeah, I'm right about to test auto playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Ooh, nice.
Did you get her to write a song for it?
Yeah, actually, I just told Rosie to add songs. I didn't even say which songs. She chose Mary Had a Little Lamb and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Oh,
Cool.
wow. That's actually a great idea.
Let me see if it worked.
Oh,
Okay,
That's
yeah.
easy.
Wow, cool.
There you go. Okay, I can't stop this song. Okay.
Yeah, I don't see a stop button, so I don't see
Yeah.
what he's moving to.
Very neat.
yep.
So,
How are you guys doing? So Coco Boots are our power users, and they've been with Rosebud for a while, built many amazing
mhm.
projects. So excited to have you. Thanks for joining.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing good.
Good to
I'm
see you.
working on a 2D platformer using a tile map editor. So
Hmm.
hopefully I can show something off soon.
Sweet.
But nothing currently.
Well, that's exciting. Jason, what are you trying to make right now?
I'm trying to make. I want to make. I was going to say make CS:GO, but anyway, I want to make an FPS now. So, see,
Yeah, let's see.
first-person shooter.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's take a look.
Yeah, I actually haven't tried that one. So let's see.
Yeah, actually, I haven't done that a lot of FPS stuff. Only been checking out Sean Builds' recent ones.
Yep.
I found she
Boots.
gets a tiny bit confused with the Z orientation in
Z.
3JS.
Yeah, no, I've noticed that too. Got to rotate things a few times for it to get.
Yeah,
There
sometimes
we
it's
go.
like perfect, other times yeah, it's just swapped on the axis.
Hmm. Right now, this I've gone.
Let's see.
That I can shoot. And also flip left and right. Right now, when I go left, it's going right and vice versa.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Coco Boots.
that's the issue I was talking about.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I see. Yeah, if you guys have like prompt suggestions, please. I know you are professionals.
Yes, yeah, please.
Well,
I'll try to think of.
specifically for that Z issue, I've noticed if you put a statement at the top of the script just saying that the Z points towards the camera, she usually fixes stuff pretty simply that way.
Okay, yeah, actually, I'll experiment with that. Maybe you have to let Rosie know about that too.
Yeah, because she thinks it's the opposite way. She thinks Z points away from the camera, which is it's typical in most engines. With 3JS, it's flipped for some reason.
Hmm.
Dang, that's cool. She made a gun. It works. Almost.
Almost, yeah. Bullets are stuck, so bullets don't travel.
I've got a wee project where I just make her make sculptures out of different shapes and see what she can do. She's made some
that's
pretty
cool.
good stuff with a single prompt.
Really? Sculpture, one prompt.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try it after this.
I had
Well,
her
if
do things like that with Phaser with like a stick figure. I haven't explored past that though, but she does, do a good job with shapes.
Mm.
this gun looks hilarious.
Yeah, we need we need to improve the gun. Looks like a robot arm or something.
I mean, it's pretty simple, so
Yeah,
I mean,
there's
it
quite a
looks good
simple
enough to
fire
me.
hose or something.
How they're
There you
moving.
go.
Oh, okay.
Well, they die.
Yeah. There you go. I didn't even ask for that, so it works.
Well, they move around too, apparently.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Whoa.
Is that when you get hit?
Oh.
No,
Oh, cool.
when I click Q and E, it's like flipping. It says Q and E to flip right or left.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Like
right. Yeah,
Rainbow
it's
Six
tilt.
Siege.
It's like
Yeah,
camera. It's like leaning in
yeah, I
CS5.
know
Yeah,
it is like
leaning.
leaning. Accidental leaning feature for
Yeah.
Rainbow Six.
Well, most good features start as bugs.
Yeah, good point. Okay, maybe I have to make it. You can hold it down to lean more. I can hold to continue until I release. Because right now, if I click E, it does like a quick lean. So I'm gonna see if I can hold it.
Oh, I see. Let's see if she
Yeah,
interprets that right, because that could mean like lean until you're laying down.
yeah, good. Okay, let's see. There we go.
Awesome, she got the correct interpretation.
Yeah, she did. Oh, wow, I don't expect this. This looks pretty good.
Yeah, I found first-person shooters with Rosebud isn't actually that hard to set up. Like any
Mm.
first-person project is really quite simple.
Mm. Yeah, so Rose been doing a good job with FPS stuff.
Yeah, typically. I mean, I don't think it's actually that advanced FPS games until you get
Mm.
to the animations and stuff.
Okay, that's good to know. All right, you guys have any prompts you want to try, or do you want to switch to sculptures?
I want to see if she can make the enemies more interesting with shapes. Maybe even
Okay.
animate them.
Okay, make the enemies better looking shapes.
And then we're gonna need a crosshair.
Yes, we do need that. I don't know why I'm aiming right now. So let's get our enemies looking good, then we'll add a crosshair, and then we have something.
Got a head, some arms, glowing eyes. Cool.
Hmm. Glowing eyes. Let's see. Hey,
Oh, that's awesome.
That's hilarious.
This is hilarious. Wow.
there we go.
Jason,
Yeah,
should we try
good
and make it
suggestion.
should we try and make it prettier prompt as usual? I mean, yeah,
Yeah,
I
actually,
like it.
honestly, it seems to work well. Yeah.
Yeah. We also can try some 3D acid gen and see. But for now we can just use the shapes.
Yes, I like the way the shapes look. Okay, said improved in lighting, make gun look more detailed. Nice, we need a better gun. Visual effects. Ground look better. Okay, let's see. This is a big one.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Yep. That's exactly how I feel with long generations. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah, just giving it
Ooh,
like a test of That's the
Whoa.
camera distance being a tiny bit too low.
Yeah. But this is like more
What do you,
cyberpunk
what
now.
yeah, I know. What the boot say? I didn't hear that.
That black thing appearing, that's just the camera far distance being too low.
Oh, okay. Because
Ah.
the camera far distance is too low. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah,
Gotta render
it's
more.
flipping through the skybox, so it just stops
Yeah, it
rendering the
is.
skybox.
Oh, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah, it does. Let's fix that. Okay, it says it's changing from 1,000 to 10,000. Nice.
Mmm.
Yeah,
Thank,
that's
thank you,
Just like
Boots.
that, like butter.
Yeah, yeah. That's better.
Wow, that's cool.
yeah, that looks pretty good actually.
Yeah,
Have you got it to make some like trees and stuff? It would actually look
good
pretty
point.
good.
And some trees and environment stuff. Adding simple trees and rocks to enhance the environment.
Yeah, that'll make it look better. She seems to understand scale pretty well too, like everything's usually relatively well scaled.
Hmm, good point. Nice.
Yeah, that
Oh,
looks good.
cool.
Not
Yeah,
bad.
see,
Very
she
nice.
understands geometry pretty good. She could make some pretty
Yeah,
complex sculptures if you're just telling her to just make it better and make it better. She just makes it better.
add some cool environment
I
structures.
haven't, I haven't played around with 3D too much. I'm still, you know, I'm sticking with 2D right now.
Hmm,
But yeah, it's cool to see all this of what's capable with Rosie in such a short amount of time too.
yeah.
I've seen her try to generate some things that just don't make any sense, but I'm pretty sure that's just because she's a human and she's never seen it before.
Hmm, yeah. Let's describe it.
Yeah, so like the arch is it's just upside down because she knows it's supposed to be an arch. She just doesn't understand how arches work.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. The good point. It's just arch upside down. But a
Yeah,
table, I don't know if that's that.
yeah.
But this is pretty scary though. Like this is like a whole world now. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you just target small things and get her to improve on them, you can actually get a pretty big world. I've got some examples that have quite a lot of stuff in them that she's just randomly generated.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, if you build it up like piece by piece like that, I see what you mean.
And if you like certain things, you can just tell her to package that object into an independent class, and you can move it around
Oh,
through
yeah.
other scripts and stuff.
Hmm. Well, actually, if you have like a whole project that's made for just learning sculptures and then keep exporting them to other projects, that could be cool.
Yeah, I mean that's a really good way to actually kind of build models inside a Rosebud is get it to build sculptures and models and stuff, and then export that even with its animations, and then export that as a class itself for another project.
Oh,
Wouldn't that
I,
wouldn't that be a problem? Like if like
I quite
using too
often like to
many
build all my components and stuff completely independent of the main project, and then integrate it back into the main project.
what does that mean? Like are you I guess my question was if these models just kept if Rosie just keeps making these models like better and better, doesn't that mean like she's adding more squares and rectangles to it? Won't that eventually cause perform performance issues? Like
Yeah, that affects the
if
archers.
there's like 10 or 20 enemies.
She said something about the gun being more detailed, but I don't see a more detailed gun. I think she just made the barrel a bit longer.
yeah, I don't know.
It does have an animation to it now, though.
Yeah, good point. Yeah,
And it's shiny.
yeah, yeah. So it's kind of dark right now, but it's metallic, I think.
Yeah, I found metallic stuff doesn't really play well if the value's too high and it's too dark in the scene.
Hmm. Yeah, some like I don't know. Should we have like some floodlights or something? Skylights?
Yeah, you should ask her to add some colored disco spotlights.
Nice. Okay. Add some. Let's go. These tables are like this. Is this actually this? Maybe this is not supposed to be a table. Maybe this is actually just a structure.
Yeah, I think because she said something about pillars, I think they're actually like supposed to be some sort of structure.
Yeah.
Those things are actually quite terrifying, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah. If they try chasing you all of a sudden, and then maybe
I mean,
just get a
late
whole lot
entry for
scarier.
the game jam.
Sorry, say again.
Late entry for the game jam.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it's pretty quick to prototype stuff like this and then just drag it around other projects and stuff. And that's why I don't really see the project size limit being that much, is because when you get to that size, you just open a new one and start making independent objects.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I guess our goal then is to have to make the process of doing that way easier. Because if you
Yeah,
can do
just
it, then it's yeah.
the script abstraction problem's a bit of a problem for most users because I mean
Mhm.
they're not used to coding, so yeah.
Yeah.
You good?
So stuff. We don't see the lights right now. Let's see if we can get them in.
Yeah, with lights and stuff, it can be a bit tricky because there's just so many different values to lights.
Hmm. Is that it?
Okay, that's the
Oh,
light. They're pointing up from the pillars.
1, 2. Right there. It's cool she
Yeah,
made the lights come from the structure.
yeah, that's what I found. There's like sometimes you'll suggest things and she makes like small adjustments to what you asked for that actually turn out for the better.
Yeah.
Do we, mm, you know, fix the going through the textures thing? Like through the, just right now we can walk through everything.
Yeah, make things solid. Yeah, we
Oh,
got to do that.
okay. What is it solid? Because I think you should just bumped into it, no? Or did you walk through it?
No, I think I can walk through. Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay,
can walk
okay,
through
got it.
everything.
Yeah.
Let's do that. So we have the light now. I don't know where it's coming from though.
Yeah, I think what she's doing is she's just using so those light representations over top of the thing. I think those are just cones,
Oh, oh, so you have
and
like a real light here and cones here. Okay.
and then yeah, the real lights are just kind of going around in circles.
Oh, interesting. Make environment solid. Walk through. Okay. Yeah, this disco light worked well though. In here, like, look good.
Yeah, I mean, another big change that I've seen you could make is you can ask her to enable shadows casting
Ooh,
for objects.
yeah, we gotta do that. See if things are solid. No.
Some things might be solid because there's a fair few things to change.
Yeah. Okay. What does she make some
It may be that you don't actually have a collision body on your character.
character? Okay. Make sure actually. Yeah, I think you're right. I don't think my character has.
Yeah, I find that I mean, if you're gonna make a serious project, obviously you'd start setting up components bit by bit and then kind of working with them.
Yeah. Yeah, doing that earlier is actually probably better.
I've actually found she targets those errors really well in like 99% of cases.
Hmm.
And if it doesn't fix it the first time, it's just because she's forgot to fix something else somewhere else.
Okay. It's good to hear that fix-it's working.
Well, I've taken people's projects that they said were broken and I've just continually hit the fix it button until it works.
It's good to know. There you go. We have solid
Yeah, there we
stuff.
go. Yeah, cool. So yeah,
Awesome.
that's what I love about it, is it's so easy to just fix stuff. It only takes a second.
Okay, guys, you heard from Boots. Hit fix it until things work. Sometimes I give up on
It's
fix
worked
it too.
almost every time for me, although I have noticed like sometimes you'll have a project that's just so poorly set up that the fix it, you'll end up in a loop where she fixes something and then fixes it back to how it was.
Oh man. Okay.
But that's like, I found that's like 1 in maybe 50 projects that happens to.
Okay. So overall, you're seeing some having success with fix it. A few
Yeah,
mistakes every once in a while.
yeah, just spamming the fix it button has fixed it in like a good 90% of cases for me.
Nice. Okay. Good to know. Okay.
That's I was actually thinking the other day that the rapid prototype stage in this is actually so fast that you can actually get way ahead of yourself.
Yes.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Because
For
I've
sure.
built
Story
up
of all
scripts
my
before
games
with
I've ever
components that I
created.
know I'm never going to use before I've even like started the actual project.
Yep.
Oh, cool,
Yeah, I've
crosshairs.
had that effect of like just keep
She
on
actually made some pretty
starting new
cool
projects.
crosshairs for one of my projects. I asked her to make the crosshair reactive and everything, and it worked really well.
Mm.
Reactive like when you hover over something interactable.
Weirdly, I wouldn't expect an AI to understand the 3D world, but apparently it kind of does. I mean, everything's on the ground. Nothing's really floating unless they're supposed to be. It's all the collisions are in the right spot.
Mm.
I mean, if you were
Yeah.
gonna build this project from scratch in another engine, this is like what 4 or 5 hours of work right here.
Yeah, it's a good point. Yeah, the initial prototyping phase, especially if you have good structure at the beginning, yeah, you can go super fast. For Rosebud right now.
Yeah, exactly. I used to manually code everything. I've swapped from pretty much getting Rosebud to blueprint everything and then going from there. You get a
Mm.
99% working component and then finish it off just by kind of instructing her how things should work when I notice
Nice. Yeah,
inconsistencies.
that's awesome.
Because if you can explain to her from a coding perspective how you want a component to work, she follows it to a T. She doesn't deviate.
Mm. Hey, Coco, I added your crosshair. What's next on your end?
Oh, what else would we need? We need a scoring system, I think.
Oh yeah, good point.
Well, and while we are adding a scoring system, I want to finish the Rosebud Live on YouTube and Twitch and everywhere else. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to continue, we are on Discord. You can jump in right now
Hmm.
here. We're staying here, hang out with Coco and Boots. And
Yep.
yeah, join us every Monday and Thursday. We're streaming on all of the platforms, and you can always join us roughly in the middle of the stream on Discord to just hang out and build something together. Thanks, everyone, and see you in the next stream.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.